Hi, I'm Leanne Rodriguez, and this is my health and fitness app, Nutrimotion, and it aims to help people build healthy habits with food and exercise tracking. So we're going to start off with the onboarding process, which is a quick questionnaire, and this helps in customization of recommendations for food and exercise. So we're going to start off with the goals, and we can select one or two or more. Then we're going to go ahead and input our age, height, and weight just to get that further customization. Our activity level, so the typical activity level per day. Then we're going to go through our fitness level, any focus areas that we're interested in, and our diet type. How many meals and snacks we eat per day, any food preferences, any food exclusions like allergies or foods that we just don't like. And then we're going to get our personalized plan. So we're going to go ahead and click Start Plan. And in this scenario, this is our first time using the app. So we're going to sign up with email and create an account. Now, the app actually opens up with a small coach mark that lets us know that this is the diary and this is where we can track food and exercise. So the first feature that we're going to look at is adding a meal from our meal plan onto diary. So there's two ways of doing this. The first way would be clicking the plus sign next to add meal one. And then we go into the search area and we see that there's 4 tabs here. We're going to select My Meal Plan, which is saved under there. Here we can see that we're on week 1, we're on Monday, and this is the exact date, so today's date. And then we're going to click Add to Diary. So we're going to add that banana protein, and we see that it's been saved onto the diary. There's a second way of doing this. It's really up to personal preference, but you could also go to Meals, and then the Meals page opens up onto 2 tabs. The main tab is going to be Meal Plans, and we see that same layout with the first week, Monday, today's date, and then we can add that meal 1. And in this scenario, again, it would just be added, that meal would be added onto meal 1. Now, the second feature we're going to look at is looking up specific recipes. So recipes are going to be housed in meals, and it would be the second tab, recipes. So let's say that maybe you don't want to use a meal plan or you want to eat something outside of it. You know, different users have different needs. So you can click on search recipes. You're going to see that there's several filters. Now, let's say you don't want to spend more than 15 minutes or you want to do something under. So you would click 15 minutes. And let's say you only have tuna in your cupboard or you love tuna, so you can select that. And then your search results show what's available. And you go ahead and click that first one. You enjoy the recipe, take a look at it, and you want to add that to diary as well. So there you go. And then you see that it has been added as your second meal. And there is the name of the recipe and the calories displayed. Now, the next feature is going to be adding a workout. So when we go on to workouts, you see that the workouts suggested for you, again, these are based on that initial questionnaire. So this is what is suggested. Let's go ahead and click on beginner kickboxing. You view the video, and then you can very easily track it along with like calories burned and all that information from that workout video. And then you just click Add Workout to Diary. And then you can see that that has been added. Now, the next feature is going to be even further tailoring your experience on the app. So let's say that maybe you struggle with calorie counting. It's been an issue in the past. It's just something that you don't really want to look at. So you can go into settings and you can see calories displayed. You can turn those off. You can also see calories burned displayed, which is like anything burned from exercise, and you can turn that off as well. And then you see that when you go back to your diary, all of those calories have been removed. And those calories would also be removed from workouts and meals just for the user's peace of mind. That is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching.